Hello and welcome today. Welcome to Wilcom's video short series for the Embroidery Studio E 4.0. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own template inside the software. And because sometimes when a customer sends you a job, they may reuse a same format basically and only change the names for the jobs actually. And so you are able to go in and create a format, and you can save that format as a template and reuse that format over and over and over again, saving you lots of time in your production. What we're going to do, I'm just going to go in and I'm going to create some text on the screen. I'm going to click inside my text box. Type in my text. I'm going to use the block 2 font here. I'm going to create my text on my screen, and I'm going to left click on the screen here. So I have my text on the screen. The next thing I want to do, I want to make sure that I want to close the space between the two words. I'm going to scroll down, and I have my word spacing here, but I can go in and I could move that in by going in, left clicking on the arrows and scrolling down. What I'm also going to do is I want to make sure that I have a trim between my words. In order to do that, I'm going to go up top here to my object properties. I'll choose the connectors tab, and I want to make sure that I'm on inside object, and I also want to make sure that the trim after is turned on. Okay, at this point here I'm going to go in and I'm going to actually create my format that I'm going to use. So I'm going to navigate over back into my lettering properties here, and I'm going to scroll and I'm going to use number 12. So it's going to go in and it's going to reset my script basically to this particular format. At this point, all I've got to do is save this as a template, and I can bring this back up again later on and just change the names. Okay, in order to save that template, I'm going to navigate to my file drop menu, and I'll choose Save as Template. I'm going to save this as Scooby-Doo, and I'm going to overwrite the old template. I'm going to save it. It's going to give me my indicator here telling me that the file already exists. Do I want to replace it? Yes, I do. Now, all I've got to do, and when I come in tomorrow, if the customer sends a new design name, is I'm going to go to File. I'm going to choose New from Template. Okay, and the templates that I already created are up here in my template folder. The one that I want here is going to be the Scooby-Doo template, and I'm just going to click OK. Okay, that's going to open up my template on the screen. I will press 0 for my full view again. And at this point here, all I've got to do is go in and change the name. I'll click. I'll go back up to my wording here as I press backspace and just change the letters. Update my text. So I have my new text. If I need to close the space up between my words, I could always navigate back to my lettering properties to my word spacing. I can move that down. Okay, and now I've created a new file from my original file. I'll always have the Scooby-Doo file because I did save the template. So in the future, all I've got to do is go in and just change the name, and I'll still have my same format. That's going to do it for today. Thank you so much for your time. And we ask that you please join us at www.wilcomamerica.com. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video to be informative. Visit us at www.wilcomamerica.com for more product information and to join the Wilcom America community.